Hey everybody, welcome back to the 252 Adventure Vlog. I'm Hilbert, and today we're just going to cover some of the boats that we rent here in Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. We'll start with our Sea Hunt. This is a Sea Hunt. It's the Triton 225, and it has a 150 on the back. Take a look around. T-top. We do feature a Garmin touchscreen on this boat. It is geared for fishing. A lot of the folks that rent this boat like to go out and fish for king mackerel, Spanish mackerel, and false albacore. So this is one of our boats that's for rent here at Atlantic Beach Boat Rentals. Beachside bikes here in Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. So the next boat that we have up here, this is our personal boat. It is a Robalo. It's the R242, and you can see it's got a 300 Yamaha on the back. This is our personal boat. We do take this offshore a lot ourselves, and when we get a chance, when we're not busy renting boats, we'll take this 15 to 20 miles offshore, fish for kings, hopefully catch a blackfin tuna or two here and there, fish for mahi, and this is here in Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. So this is our Robalo R242. So if you're interested in renting a boat, we ask that you do have boating experience, that you've boated on intercoastal waterways, and that you know your rules of navigation. Next, we'll move up to our other boats that we rent, and these are our primary boats. These are our Carolina skiffs. These are the 218 DLV models, and these boats are pretty easy to get around in the sound here. They have a very shallow draft, you know, okay, in a minimum, I'd say 2 feet of water. So this one is a 218 DLV Carolina skiff. This particular model is powered by a Yamaha VMAX engine that we put on this particular boat. It's a 115 horsepower Bimini top, and we put brand new Simrad Cruise 7 GPS units on these boats as well. Here's another Carolina skiff, and this one has a Suzuki 115 on it. Again, Bimini top, Cruise 7, GPS by Simrad. And this was our original Carolina skiff that we started off with. 115 Suzuki, Cruise 7, Simrad GPS unit.